Now, every single day, I audit about 20 to 30 ad accounts. And this is separate from the accounts that we actually run. So I see a lot of data. And I mean a lot of data. In this video, I'm going to share with you one of the accounts that we audited because I think there's a lot you can learn from this. Now, this was a person who came in through our free ad account audits that we offer here on YouTube. You'll find the link to that in the description. It's completely free. You click the link, fill out a form, reach out to you, we do a free audit for you. But this is how this audit came to be. So they reached out and we went in with the audit. Now, this wasn't an account that was not getting sales. In fact, he was doing about $10,000 every single day. 9 here, 11 here, around that $10,000 a day mark. But the problem was his profitability. His scaling was killing his margins, and that is why he signed up for the audit, because he couldn't figure out where was the mistake in his ads that was causing him high ad cost, which was eating up all his margins. So we got access to the ad account. We went in and I found 3 key things that were killing his profits and killing his margins every time he was trying to scale. So even though it looked like a very successful ad account on the surface, there were 3 things that were killing the success of it, and I'm going to share with you exactly what those were. These are going to be something that are going to help you a lot if you're someone who's trying to scale but are seeing margins being eaten up. With that being said, make sure you watch till the end and let's jump right into the video. So first and foremost, a set base. Let me tell you exactly what the account looked like when we went in for the audit. So what I had was multiple ad sets running at different stages. Some were in testing, some were free scale, multiple ad sets, different stages each ad set. They had a strong top line, as I just mentioned, but that is where most people don't see the actual inefficiencies that hide behind it. So we got on with the audit, and the first issue we found out was with the creative. The creative was sitting in testing for too long. Let me explain what I mean, because this is very important. So when I got into the testing campaign, I saw that many ad sets had been left in the testing phase for way longer than they should have, which means they were never actually graduated into a scaling campaign. There were some ad sets with over 15 purchases, but yet the only place they're running is in the testing campaign. No sign of them being in a scaling campaign. And that is a problem, because you're holding back a winning ad set from being scaled properly, which means it is never going to be profitable. So the fix is very simple. Once your ad set crosses about 5 to 10 purchases, you duplicate that ad set into a scaling campaign. Now the keyword here is duplicate. You never want to turn off the initial ad set. You just want to duplicate it into a separate new scaling campaign and let both of them run side by side. You scale it from the scaling campaign and you let it collect more data in the testing campaign. And that is exactly what we did. We graduated the winners from the testing campaigns into a dedicated scaling campaign, and we continued scaling them from there. And this is where the second problem was. When they went with scaling, the scaling was too aggressive. What I basically mean by that is, when the time came to increase the budget increases were too aggressive. And this is what kills most scaling campaigns and most scaling assets: too aggressive a budget increases. What you want to do is very simple, and I know a lot of people don't like hearing this, but this is how scaling should be done and needs to be done. This is from someone who has been running ads for 8 years, so pay close attention. You only want to increase the budget about 20% every 2 to 3 days. 20 to 30% max, not more than that, and every 2 to 3 days. So if you're spending about $100, you increase it to 20%, 30%, and wait at least 2 days. If the performance holds, or even better, it gets better in results, you increase the budget by again 20 to 30% at max. And that is how you want to scale. Don't do 50% increases, 100% increases. That is how you kill your scaling campaigns and your scaling ads. And that is exactly what they were doing. So we fixed the scaling. We stopped from spending aggressive on scaling and followed the rule that I just mentioned: 20, 30% every 2 to 3 days. And that is it. Which led us to actually finding out the third biggest issue with the ad account, which was problems with frequency. A lot of their ad sets had frequency over 3, which is a big problem, and it's scary how a lot of people don't even know about this. When you have a frequency above 3, that is when your cost per purchase increases drastically and your ads turn unprofitable. The reason for this is very simple. At that point, when you have a 3 frequency, people have already seen your ad multiple times, and these are people that are not going to convert anyway. So you're spending money on showing your creative to people who have already seen multiple times and are not going to convert. What you need to do this, the fix is very simple. You need to make sure you inject new creatives every single week. On some of our ad accounts, we push 10 to 14 new creatives every single week. And I know that's quite a lot. I don't want you to do that. I'm not telling you to do that. At least do 2 to 3 new creatives every single week, so your frequency stays low. Your creatives are already in rotation and your ad costs stay low as well, which means you can scale profitably. These are just 3 of the major problems that we saw on that account, and just fixing this helped us increase their margins by a ton, which means now that they're making about $10,000 a day, their profit is much higher. And if you're trying to scale, I want you to make sure you go to your ad account, you check for these 3 mistakes. If you're making any of them, fix them right away. And trust me, you'll see better results and better margins. And as I said at the start of the video, I'm offering free audits. All you have to do is click the first link in the description, subscribe to the channel first, then click the first link in the description, fill out the form, we'll reach out to you, we'll do a free audit of your account, tell you exactly what you're going wrong with and how to improve it and how to get better sales. Or if you want to have a one-on-one chat directly with me, I'm also offering free one-on-one consultation calls. These are limited. You'll find the link to that in the description as well. If you see a slot, book it. We'll hop on a call. We'll go over your ads, marketing, store, everything you're doing, tell you exactly what you're doing wrong and how to improve it directly one-on-one with me. Again, it's just a way of me giving back to you guys for being a part of the channel. All I ask is to subscribe. If you found value from this video, make sure you leave a like. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll see you on the next one.